Hi, Tony here. This is a beautiful, mature crepe myrtle. You can see from the beautiful coloration on this peeling bark. It's just magnificent. You can see how large and old and established this tree is, how large its trunks are against my hand, but it is just magnificent. You can look up and see that it has been pruned gently. None of that topping that you often see with the crepe myrtles out on the street. This is the beauty, the majesty, and the grace of a crepe myrtle that you will find if you do not top them. They have graceful branches. It's just beautiful, rather than the gnarly nubs that will show up when you are topping them and trying to keep them down to size. Don't plant a tree that's going to get to a large size if you want to keep it down to a smaller size. Buy a dwarf-sized tree instead. That way it won't get out of size, and then you can prune it properly to let the majesty of the way it grows and the grace shine through. If this was helpful, please click like. I really appreciate it. See you again.